everyone, welcome to Sophie Universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful side of yours to see and understand from my own point of view. Today I will be saying whatever I'm about to say in my beautiful second dialect, Pidgin English, the area I'm comfortable in, the area I can just be me, the area I can communicate with my brothers and sisters that are like me, the area I won't be forming what I'm not, the area I can just be fluent. I know you know what I mean. Um, Today, I'll beg my brothers and sisters to please, in the name of love, for the sake of love, just summon this good side in you to see from where I'm seeing from, to understand and just have patience to see from my own angle. I'm not saying you should agree with me. I'm not saying I'm 100% right. You might be right from the way you're thinking. You might, what did they make me to speak all this English where I not sabi? You feel the right for the area where you they think say you foresee they see your matter. But I beg you, I beg you, my beloved brothers and sisters, always put yourself in people's shoes before you make any decision. Always, before you make decision, before you feel be better judge, always put yourself for that position. Always see whether if it happened to you, whether you will fit second. Today I want to talk about my beautiful Africa. I want to talk to my brothers and sisters. I want to talk to my heroes. I want to talk to the leaders of tomorrow. I just wish and I hope for the best. I want to talk specifically to my Edo brothers, to my Ubini brothers and sisters. Some people don't know say we be brothers and sisters. Some people don't know say we relate in one or two ways. Some people they do things without thinking of the repercussion. Some people they do things like I don't care. At the end of the day, it will come back upon us. For the fact you and person use head, they touch the same ground, they touch the same land. Una be brothers and sisters. Una be brothers and sisters. I just hope you understand. I just hope you see from my angle. I just hope you summon that good side in you for the betterment of our land, for the betterment of humanity, for the sake of love. Summon that good side. I beg of you. You know, I want to talk about something where they go viral now on social media. I want to talk about our brother, Ambassador Dion Osaige. I dey hear and I dey see many bullings where this our brother they get. I don't know him in person, but I love his boldness. I love him as a human being. No, don't get it twisted. As a human being, as somebody will like better thing, as somebody will need better thing for our land. I love him for the sake of love. I love him because he's my brother. I love him because he has a passion. He get passion for humanity. I love him because he dey think for the less privileged. Yes. But please, not twist my matter, not twist my word, not twist wetin I dey try talk. Just be human enough to understand wetin I dey try to talk. I dey see many bullies wey dey get. I dey see many bullies wey dey get. I no wan talk about am since then because I feel say e go soon come to an end. I dey feel say na normal stuff wey guys dey do. They go soon settle their scores. But I come dey see say e dey too corner, come dey go far. Your own brother, no be say because say mama born us, the same mama born me and you, na make us be brothers and sisters. For the fact say we dey live for the same planet, don't make us be brothers and sisters. For the fact we come from the same land, Edo State, make us be relative. For the fact say we dey speak one language, we suppose use cloth cover ourselves. For the fact say na one king, one papa na dey rule us, we suppose give ourselves respect wey we deserve. We not supposed to pull ourselves down. The time when I small, my auntie, she dey stay for Lagos that year. When she come, she dey always dey tell us this story. Whenever she see her Bini brother and sister, she dey always dey happy like say na Christmas day. They dey welcome theirself, they dey love theirself. Ask your, not be my generation, no, ask generation before our generation, the generation wey born my own generation, ask them. Those people, when they go travel, when they see Bini person like them, God, jeez, they happy. Say, oh my brother, oh my sister. If my auntie then they tell us this story, I go to think and say, this one good oh, e nice oh, because she dey talk am with joy. She dey talk am with joy. But after some time, she later come back again, come dey talk say, where Bini people for gather, no, say where three friends for gather, if one comot, no say na the first person wey comot matter, na dem dey discuss, na those two wey remain dey talk. Then I come ask my auntie, I come say, auntie, e say but na you first talk say if you see Bini person, if you see Edo person, you dey embrace them, you dey cook for them, they do party as if say na Christmas something. So why it can't change? She can't tell me, say money they spoil many things. Your own brother, because outsiders see, say you two dey in love, you two dey obsessed with money, they'll buy your conscience with money. That one be the reason why we dey kill ourselves today, because of money, because of greed. And that thing still dey ring for my head when my auntie tell me more than 20 years ago. When I see some things where my brothers and sisters they portray for social media, I dey go dey think say, how I wish we can just go back to the age of cowries, so that we fit bring back our dignities as human beings. Many people they bullying this my brother, Ambassador Dion Osage. Now so he chop money, now so he do this, now so he do that, now so he do this, now so he do that. But please, my Edo brothers and sisters, I dey specifically dey talk to my Edo brothers and sisters because na my land this thing for dey happen, and now we dey cry for change. Now we dey ask God why, and we na the cause of our problem. This problem na African nation na this problem dey. Because I dey talk, I dey just once deliberate on Edos, on Benin. No mean say na only Benin I dey talk to. I dey talk to all African countries wey don dey hear pidgin English, wey get this human sympathy, wey wan change, wey wan comot from one position to the other position. Na we talk to. You see, e get one audio when I lis ten to wey break my heart to pieces, wey make me on my camera, wey just make me say, are some people really humans? Some people really get, they really get this this conscience inside them. I dey ask, when you see the way some people take dey portray matter, this I no fit even lis ten to the audio finish. It break my heart because na woman na make that audio. It touched me because na mother tomorrow, if not be mother now. It pieces my heart because her accent na my accent. Edo Benin person. It pieces my heart. It make me, if I no fit explain the way it do me. Of all the good where this man don dey do dey come, of all the praises wey we dey pour on this man before, because of one mistake, because of one thing when he do, or because of one thing wey we think say he do, now na kill am, die. Nobody now dey think of those children wey dey take care of. Everybody dey think of the money, the paper wey they receive. Nobody dey think of the time wey they spend. I watched one other video of one man. I don't really know his name, but I know say na whether Stalin. He talk about something wey really please my heart. He said when he and one other guy where they bully this guy, they drink beer for beer parlor, they spend their money for beer parlor, they see people, poor people, they beg for streets, they see children without home for streets. They not decide to help them, they decide to go buy beer, they decide to go buy car, but somebody decide to use his own money, to take start something, and now he dey profit from wetin he don sow, and you are jealous of it, and you turn back now to say he not gonna give you accountability. Do you think before you say things? Okay, one person come and say na cancer patient, he no use am, he no money where they donate for am, he no use am, he this, he that. And now that one everybody just dey carry the talk now. What of the ones wey fairly do? This lady accused this man, say he go join something. Now you put am for the something, Mrs. Woman. Now you put am. I watch another of her audio when she begin the minister. My sister, even though na 10 years, this my video take come to you. Sit down, use your tongue, count your teeth. She say now God really call Ambassador Dion Osagie that people shouldn't stop bullying him, that he need prayer, more pray for him, make his wife come back. Oh, this. I don't know the kind God wey visit you, wetin the God wear, wetin the God tell you, say na him really call am or not being call am. I don't know. And now the same people like you go on camera or see people video say don't judge. Use your tongue to count your teeth. Don't be offended. Don't be offended, because you know whatever goes round comes around. Comes around. You see all this bullying who they give this man, all this bullying who they give this our brother, it will come to us. We will receive them in one or two ways, except we decide to remain in the position where we just there. Now we don't want to move forward. We want always to move backward. But when you decide to move forward, there is always an obstacle. There is always an obstacle, and then not ask God why. Because when you do unto somebody, you not ask yourself why you do it. Bad as bad. Bad as bad. You don't help somebody for even thinking of it at all, for even having humanity, for even having poor people in his heart. It's something. Now where person for the work, now there is for the eat. Somebody say is a lazy fool. If as that Mr. Dion Osagie be, say na so person take the lazy. I want to be lazy. Some they call am, some say na brainwash criminal. If na so all criminal say they act with good idea, without taking gun to people's house to go kill them, to go shoot them. If na so criminal say they act, I will gladly love to be a criminal. Then people they ask this man for accountability. This woman, I don't watch the audio finish because I was really angry. I'm trying to be calm. I just try to be calm. I just try not to be too emotional, so that whenever she come across this my video, she will understand from a woman to a woman. From a woman to a woman, she will understand from where I'm coming from. You see, for life, when you want to be somebody, obstacle will come. Obstacle must come. But my sister, life not be how we think am. Because we dey get view, because we dey get people where they tell us say make we ride on. No me say sometimes we dey right. Because we dey get people where they view us, or people where they tell us say ride on, because we be grandmother or grandfather of hate. No make am right. As a human being, think before you say something. Think before you say something. If you no think of any other thing where that man they do, think of the old woman, the old mother, where he put smile for your face. You don't fit tell me say you don't see that video. No, leave every other thing aside what you don't do. At least this old woman should give you joy, should give you hope, should give you, how to put on, before you cast stone on people, my brother and sisters, where they say Dionosage, they do this, Dionosage, they do that, use your tongue to count your teeth. If you don't ever get gain when somebody send you message, if you don't ever get gain from inside, don't criticize anybody, because now where person for the work, now there before the eat. Okay, as they work on a field, say another place they wait for the get income, when they use every 20, when they use the full 24 hours, till they do social media, till they show people what thing they do, till they show people what thing they do. He now in a self-employee. If you today did this position and somebody, and tomorrow you come up with one idea where people would support, and people come, they support you, critics come, don't ask God why. Don't ask God why, because you dey sow seed for ground now, and a bad seed, my brothers and sisters, as long the person where you dey deal with na human being like you, anything what we do now, we go reap am. We will reap am. If you reap am in your early age, excuse me, if you reap am in your early age, it good though. But if you reap am when you don't old, they bad. Some people when they quit they reap am, that they feel say nothing they happen. Something they happen for inside, nothing they happen. Something they happen for spiritual rain. I'm telling you. Now this cloth, I cover body. Oh. Many people don't know what this cloth cover. Many people don't know disease where this cloth cover. Many people don't know the stress where all these activities cover. Many people don't know the oh, how do I put it? Many things they will make up cover. You don't ask God why. There are some things where you they do we not good in the sight of man. And this my sister, on a fake account, she did do this audio what she did do. See, the truth is, you know yourself. Dionosage no need to know you. Neither me, we sit down for here, need to know you. Neither the ancestors from your own land need to know you. Neither the good spirits need to know you. They already know you because you know yourself. Because you know yourself. You say somebody tell you say in pay 300 something thousand for am. No be you pay am. Why it dey bother you? Why it be your problem? Why can't you just come up with, since now 4119, make you still come out with something like that? Make people still support you. People must support good things. Come up with something. Make we make our fatherland a better place. Make we make our mother's land a better place. Make we stop this hate. It dey lead to destruction. It dey lead to God. Why we hate ourselves like this? You will make that video, my sister. I love you. I love you because you are my sister. From your accent, I know you be from my land. You come from my land, Edo State. For that simple reason, I don't get anything against you, because if I get something against you, I get something against myself, because the good spirit of that land will not let me progress if I have anything against you. But the truth must be told for you to see from another way. Say life not be like that. We are person for the work, and there for the eat. You no fit use one bad wey person do just take crucify am according to you say e do bad. You say you no fit explain himself when they give interview. He even tried to even tell people how he take use the money. Say him give person according to your statement, and I quote, she said the Mr. Dion Osage, I know you see the video. He said Mr. Dion Osage say him give the person, the cancer patient, 200,000. They didn't come back. She said, why Mr. Dion Osage not call the woman again? Whether not being supposed to call the woman, why would they judge with belle? Why would they judge with hate in our hearts? Why? You were the sick now, go sue doctor wey dey hospital, say e no come pick you for house. They say when they ask something, now your hand dey long pass. So why you want person wey wan help you make your hand long pass your own? Where you from come? Are you for real? You be real woman, because woman no dey get this kind hearts where you possess out to the public. No, we know they get some. You don't feel let your hate use you like this. My beloved mother, why I do always they use this word? Where they for the work, and they're for the eat. My lovely beloved mother told me something many years ago. When she gonna build a house, she gonna give this man. You get one man who help her build a house. This man not be a relative. She trusts this man. She trusts this man with her life. Before you give somebody projects, you will trust this person. She trusts them. My mom at this type where be say, do something for her. Want something where don't work, she will trust you, because she easily the believe person. She trusts this man, and this man really did what she trusted him for. He trusts this man with her money. Say make this man build house for him. This man build house for him. This man gonna build the house. You know family matter now. Family matter. Family gonna grumble. Hey, we there here. You go give us side that. Make all they build your house. Make all they do things for you. We not be picking. We not be this. We not be that. We not be this. We not be that. Or even we, the children, we don't big. We not send us. We not do this. You understand? So we gonna quarrel put. Then she tested the family. She sent her sibling and one of another family member made her do well. Only well. Now she said made her do. It cause problem. They fight. Something and my own mom can't settle the fight. She can't know say that money where she bring that cause problem. Then she can't continue to they give the man the contracts may they do. But this my mom want die. The taxing, the drilling, so that she can't cause say she don't tire. She not they build again. Make the house yours they there. She not they build again. But the man was still encouraging her to do it. At the end of the day, she can't do and finish. When she reach house, the man I carry her. We don't live for the house before she even know the house where she build. So when she can come, now from gates she kneel down for this man. Say thank you very much. I can't sit down, I can't reason and say but my mom can't complain. Say she too spend money, then they chop her money, this, that. Then after the man don't go, when she don't dey room, everybody don't go sleep. You know if Jan don't come now, you know we'll be sleep. Everybody don't sleep. I can't ask my mom, mommy was saying, you say they chop your money for this house, ties, they chop your money, this, that. She can't tell me, say, where person for the work, now dear person for the eat. No matter how much you spend for something, if the thing come out great, you should be happy. He said, thank God and thank that person will do that thing for you. And that thing never come off from my head. That thing never come off from my head. What am I trying to say? For the facts, say Ambassador Dion Osagie, they do something, only one thing, where we feel, say you not do right now, we want use them say, kill him, we want use them say nail, we want use them say crucify him, we want use them just to say kill him, die. But what of the others we fair they do? What of the others? What of the ones where we not contribute, but your friend give money to them? You say you know they help the family. Adazoe nea dazowa. Why will they do like this? Do you know the family? You know what that man don't do for a family, where a family eats or where family squander, when he say no, for him to do for a family again, better do for people where you don't know. Do you know? You know if you just pick something on top of roof, me just take that one they go. Hey boy, ya born my video, my sister. Hey boy, oh yeah, born. The good spirits, not that they happy about those kind of things. Make we let peace reign and let Mr. Dion Osagie be. People they say, no, you don't need to react to some certain things. You don't need to react to some bullying. See, una never see bullying. Una never see bullying. Waiting we know the fit take. Make we not see many people they take them. The only thing, the good thing, the best thing we can do is to give them encouragement, not to command them. They be human beings. They get their life to live. Because they be public figure, not make them be trash. Because they be public figure, not make them not get their own life. Everybody is entitled to their opinion. You know, because I talk like this, no me say I dey 100%. You know me say I agree with everything where they talk. That is his opinion. He get one video where he make, I not agree with him. Say some Nigerian youths na lazy people. I saw that video, but he give his reasons, and his reasons was in fact 200% right. If you are not lazy, your president, your politicians cannot be using you in that manner. Where they say they use una so, where they say they use us so. So his reason was clear. I don't agree with him. Not me saying a bad person. I don't agree with him. Not make him automatically say, oh, I need to just kill him. I need to pull him down. How can you say you want to pull your own brother? But do you really know what we say? Do you listen to yourself when you speak? You want to pull your own brother down. Then after you don't pull him down, waiting will be your gain. Then waiting will be the outcome of those children, even though not one it help. You get one when I see one day. You get one when I see one day. The mother say he want to take this boy go back. He want to take and go house. He tell and say make you not go Mr. Dion Osagie Foundation. The child say he want go. Then Mr. Dion Osagie say okay, follow your mama. The boy started crying. He don't want to go. At least change his day. He can't do it all. Neither our politicians can do it all. Do you know why I said make we use our tongue take count our teeth? Now because we were the Western world. Now we they mostly the paranoid for all this thing. Now we they mostly the one see from one person angle. Now we know they see from people angle, come reason out to ourselves, use our own idea, take na balance am. We just use people idea balance issue. We no dey put our own idea. Once some people dey will just listen to this my opinion and to this my way of seeing things, we go just conclude without even using their own brain to say why this girl talk like that. If this girl talk like this, if it be true, or if this girl talk like this, if it be true, they go just conclude. Some people say because they just like me in person. Some people say because they just hate me for no reason. We just conclude, say, okay, she's right, without even putting it in their table to see from their own point of from their own point of view, to see whether it really dey right wetin I dey talk. So wetin I dey try talk na, if we really want accountability, if we wey dey abroad, we wey dey want accountability, we wey dey want money wey people pay back, why we not ask our politicians accountabilities? We dey feel say no be we dey pay that money, na government money. No, open your head, open your brain, leave Mr. Dion Osagie, leave Ambassador Dion Osagie for a second. Face your politicians. If all this bullying wey Ambassador Dion Osagie dey get, this all e picture, you no get one social media home where you go now where you no go see Ambassador Dion Osagie. Make we leave am for a second. More focus, more transfer or transform this energy to our politicians. You, my brother, even you, my sister, wey make that audio wey piss me off, wey pisses me like this. If you fit make video or audio wey they make so about our politicians, wey they make our children fair dey in this mess, wey make our children dey this position, wey can be say this thief Dion Osagie come dey thief from us. So if to say you make video about it, I don't believe say Dion Osagie go get opportunity to come become enemy overnight. If you get this energy, say bullying people, they bully our politicians like this, Mr. Dion Osagie no go street go carry person for Ring Road or New Benin. He no go carry mama triplets. He dey for Ring Road for government whatever gates. People they pass them up and down. People they see am, but Mr. Dion Osagie saw her. He chose to help her, and people still they say no. He want use am take form. He want use am take the gay. He want use am take show people. He want use am take pose. But why una not do am? Why una they pass there with motto? Una not do am. Why una not do am? But person we get golden and gorgeous hearts do am, and you are seeing fault in it. Is something really wrong with us that I cannot see? Eh? Make we transfer this our energy to our politicians, because you were there for abroad. You were there for abroad. Where they stay for cold, they own umbrella for under snow. Some of us, if people give us money, be you man, be you woman, you dey under cold, they also they look for money. If they give you money sometimes, your hand no go fit cover and take money, and that money you dey send am go give your siblings, send am go give your papa, send am go give your mama, and that money they go use am enter bus. That money they go use am buy akara. That money they go use am buy recharge card. That money they go use am take do whatever. At the end of the day, if they go our treasure, Nigeria treasure, they pay tax automatically. That money where you they suffer for, that money where you they say they take us like slave for another man land. That suffer where you they suffer, where they make you the paranoid. So now your politicians they eat the money. You need to bully them, not be person wey come out with a brilliant idea. Not be somebody wey choose to help humanity. All these things what they do so, we will give accounts for them on a very good day. We will give accounts. The way we pull ourselves down so is recorded. Some of us no know. Some of us they feel say because we dey get view. Some of us they feel say because we dey get ride on carry on. That ride on carry on now human being like you, full of sin, full of error. The good spirits will come. Where they without sin, where they without error, will come judge you by waiting come out of you. From waiting come out from the good brain where God give you, but you decide to use it in evil way, you will give accounts for it one day. You will. Our politicians, where we go take they sing, where we go they bully, nobody they bully them. Nobody they bully them. How many times we don't ask our governor of Edo State? How many times we don't ask him all the contracts when they enter? You know what they never give them contract to. How many of us don't they follow them for Twitter feed the way we they follow Dion Osagi? Because he want help. Do you know billion? In fact, the billion. If me speed go full this my phone. If I too say billion now, where did they give them for contracts? How many of us don't ask them for accountability? And our money, now we they pay the money. Now we even we wait there for abroad, they pay the money for crying out loud. If you send money go give your people today, even though you send money go say you want to go build house, you contribute for Nigeria economy. You contribute. Because that money, the person where sell that thing, where you go buy that thing from, they pay tax for that thing. Your money join money where they pay tax. Your money join money where they repair road. Your money join money where they repair hospital. Your money join money where they pay for all these criminals. Where we know they call criminals. I see one man. I know if he talk say I know they respect him again as a human being. He give his opinion, but his opinion to me, I not buy your opinion. I not bad your opinion. I not see anything for your opinion. It's his opinion. He has right to his opinion. He they defend Dino when he puts public statement for a Twitter feed. Say he no care for people. Wetin he care for na him property. Go check him out. He dey not be saying I'm talking now. Wetin he write, wetin he talk, wetin he think. He doesn't care about us. He doesn't care. This one a person wey fed the eat for streets. This one a person wey know wetin be poverty. But because he don't dey robust, he don't dey get money, forget us wey be poor people wey put up for that position. But people they look wetin they talk for camera, they forget all those ones na jege. Wetin they do for back, different for wetin they talk for camera. This man, an Hollywood actor, when him begin they vibrate, they say even if he is a criminal, na Federal Republic of Nigeria senator, they don't get right for public come they looking like that. Even though na common criminal, they're not supposed to treat them like that.
Can you imagine the one who got put here there without even telling me?
I'm coming, sir. I'm coming, sir.
I will kill myself. Let's go to court. You're taking somebody to court. So that you go and kill him there. The language you talk about, we are going to court.
Exactly. Are you not the one I told that they know where we are going?
Which is what you want to meet together there? Yeah, the woman that you go and kill him. It's annoying, my brother. It's annoying. Kill him, you can kill him here. They want to inject him. They want the information. They want to inject him on this way. Nobody is supposed to protect him. In Nigeria, we are not from Ghana.
A distinguished senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria Dino Melaye is sitting on the ground, jumping off a police vehicle. Can you imagine citizens gather in the middle of the street, on the road? A senator is sitting down on the ground. People were gathered, watching, looking at him, injured. He jumped off a police vehicle, a distinguished senator of Nigeria. Hey! A distinguished senator of Nigeria. Federal senator of Nigeria. Sitting down on the ground like a common stupid criminal. What did Dino Melaye do to deserve this embarrassment to the entire country, not to himself? What did he do? Is there no, listen, do we not have due process anymore in Nigeria? What did he do? Can someone please help me? This will make somebody lose his mind. Can someone tell me, what did he do? No due process anymore. No courts anymore. So you can't invite him to come. So there's no due process anymore. Why do we have the National Assembly? Can we please close the National Assembly? Let the executive rule over everything. Let the executive take over everything. There's no need to have National Assembly again in Nigeria. They should not sit again. Okay. Enyinnaya Baribe spoke up on the floor. It was Saraki who told him to apologize. He spoke the truth and they descended on him. Everybody saw the video. Of course, you can hear his name. He's an Igbo man and he's a Christian. The next minute around, it was Ekweremadu who was sitting in Saraki's absence. And immediately they came and took the mace. How dare you, stupid, bloody, useless Igbo man, Christian, to come and sit down over us? And they quickly took away the mace. And they put it on Agege and all the rubbish and the lies they told. And today, we have Dino Melaye. Because he stands up and talks about what is happening. Because of whatever it is. Even if Dino is a criminal. Even if Dino is a confirmed criminal, don't we have respect and regard for institutions? Don't we have respect for institutions? Why is this place called a country? This useless, stupid place, why is it called a country? You are a company. What nonsense is this? Take over and close the National Assembly. This embarrassment is too much for Nigerians living anywhere. People will see you outside the country. They look at you when you say you're from here. They get angry. They look at you like an idiot, like a fool. These are some of the reasons. Dancing naked in the marketplace. If you are a fool, can't you hide your foolishness a little bit? A distinguished senator of the Federal Republic, you want to do it clandestinely, do it quietly, let it not be shown. Are there no ways to deal with this matter? I've never met Dino in my life. I don't think I've ever seen him. I don't think, ask him, he doesn't know who I am. I don't know Dino. Why is this happening? This is too terrible. This is an embarrassment. Nigeria is finished. Look at insecurity everywhere. Look at killings everywhere. Since the past 2-3 weeks, there's not been a day under the sky that there's no killing going on in Benue, in Taraba, everywhere. And people are busy talking about 2019. God Almighty will punish all of you. You will sleep and you will not wake up. Anybody who tries it, let us address the issue in this country. Everything is going wrong. Jesus! Come and help your people. This is too much.
But when you see small thief for your society, you go say they deserve humility, you go say they deserve to die, you go say they deserve to stone them to death. But this one where they loot, they not the thief for this one, they loot our money to be vibrating at the same time they call the name of God on top of your vibration. What are we not saying? What are we not saying? Why are we deceiving ourselves? Why are we deceiving ourselves? People they on camera, they say if they talk about poor masses, how many times of all this property where Dino get, Dino not get one motor when in name not there as plates. Money wait till they do in name for plates. If he give one family for the state way for the rule, they go they respect them. They go they tell them thank you where. Dino not get one car where not get in name put. But because they talk for Senate, make it take please una heart, make it take bear una conscience, una they fall for her. This Nollywood star, Mr. What's his name? This man, he can't they vibrate. He say in a religious person, he say in a Christ-like, he was tribalism, Igbo man. Igbo man is not the issue. He is not taking care of his people is the issue. If person will really they take off him, when really they take off his people, when really they God fearing, when really they talk or talking and do I mean like, when really they talk what they do, he go sell all his property. He go get small. The position when he fed there, when he go school, when they sit down for ground, they snap all those pictures. If he gets small, if he gets small, average, it may be average. Make money wait till they buy all those cars. Wait till they do like rubber. What till they call them Terminator. If he use them to empower poor people for your own state, when they do Senate for, they will appreciate the poverty for his states. Go still uplift small. This man was vibrating. This Nollywood actor was. In fact, if to say for somebody will lose his mind now, somebody will for crying out loud, not be police. That this one I be why corruption can never stop. Not be police drag him out. He jumped because in a Samasota. He jumped out because he know the respect our police. He know the respect constitution. He flied out according to his statement. According to waiting on the talk, he jumped out. And me and you, where they fight innocent man now, where they fight innocent man, we want to take people coming for poverty. Now where they defend those anini, those ones not be anini, not be Mr. Dion Osagi, where just they eat from a labor. Where they eat from a labor. Before you cast stone on people, think, reflect back. If you don't ever benefit when somebody send you message, if you don't get gain for any errand where you go, if person send you errand, give you money to buy fuel, if person send you errand, he give you money to buy recharge card, if you don't benefit inside, no cast first stone. No cast first stone. No, don't do it, because that stone when you cast will come back to haunt you, because you will always pray for God to lift you higher. And when you are lifted higher, when God they take you from this position to the next position, there are always people where they down, where go want bring you down. And when people they try to bring you down, that good angel no go wage you, will leave you make you fall. And if you dey fall, you not go fall for ground, you fall for where. Be careful. Be careful. Don't let hatred just spread like cancer for your body like this. Not let them. Say no to hate. Say no to hate. Say no to hate. Now I get another man, this man now, where they do good now with your own money, nobody they talk about him now. Nobody know about him now. Nobody they post this man and work now. Nobody they see bad way they do now. Everybody they compliment him as they compliment Mr. Dion Osage before. Make people start to they support him now. You can't see all the evil where they our land will come out. You can't see all the demons will come out stop making yourself a sacrifice, a sacrificial lamb for the evil spirits. Please, please, you, my dear sister, my beloved mother, if you not be mother now, you'll be mother tomorrow. And anybody, anywhere you come from part of Africa where they bullying Mr. Dion Osagi, stop it. For the sake of the widows, for the sake of the children, for the sake of poor people. If you come from a poor home, you will understand what it takes to be poor. Please, let people be. Bring up your own idea. Believe me, people will support you. People must support you because you have good idea. Don't put people down for you to rise. You can never rise. You will get to that place before you not even get to the, it will remain when you get to the place, you will collapse because what you've sowed, it don't grow, and you must reap it. No, sow good seed so that we'll feel harvest good food. I beg you, my Edo brothers and sisters, I beg you, my African brothers and sisters, make we help ourselves. Make we not pull ourselves down. Make we beg. Make we see who they fall. Make we help raise them up. Edo, hi, my Edos, my Benin, my lovely Edo people, we be brothers and sisters. As far as now this head, now that sound that take bath all of us, we be brothers and sisters. As far as we don't speak one language, we be brothers and sisters. Most stop to pull ourselves down if we want make Edo State be better place. I beg you all. I beg you all. Do something. If na copycat you want to do, he not say more not copying, but let him be. Let him be. Get person we just dedicate his life like this to they do what thing they do, to just get time to they show people. See, to do 1 hour video, you know easy. You know easy. Not to talk of say you they hear different problem from different people. You cannot do it all. You cannot do it all. You pick from waiting enough you do. Waiting you see say you know they do right. You start from there without pulling him down, because if you pull him down, your own can never progress. It can never, and if you will not progress, you will not progress. Edo State cannot progress. Please, please, my brothers and sisters, let this man be. Let him be. And this my beautiful sister, say him can they pray, make his wife come back to him. His wife can never come back to him. His wife will never come back to him. You not be God. Everything gets reason. He beats his wife. He not beats his wife. I know if we talk about him. I know they in support of domestic violence. Don't get me wrong. Because me, na grandmother of me na victim of domestic violence. In fact, I don't know how I want to describe, but if I see anybody they maltreat woman, Jesus Christ, I feel buy the matter like contract, because I know, I understand. Oh God, it dey make me they remember. It dey make me they remember ugly things. So I know they like her. People they bully and say he talk say his wife not be good wife. If it be say talk am out of anger, wetin talk na wrong thing. He no talk am well, but when person don dey vex, just as soon as still be, if una dey vex, una talk something sometimes for social media, una still know say na so other people fit still lose am sometimes. Just talk. If it be, I no know am. I've never seen Dion Osage for, in fact, eyeball to eyeball, I never see am. If it be say now because of all this bullying where they come left and right, his wife not be good Christian. If it does say wife not be good Christian, because his wife know say this this heat go come say e leave am. Im wife no wan see wetin dem don first gather see. I'm not saying beating your wife, say he beat his wife, if he beats his wife or he not beat his wife, is not good for any man to lay his hands on any woman. He not get one thing, not get anything where woman want do rich. Neither he get anything where man want do rich, where woman will raise hand, slap or hit his husband or boyfriend. No. For you to do that thing, split, share your garri. Share your garri, because if you go hit am where you not supposed to hit am, story don't change. I'm engaged it with everything I got in my system. That is, oh God, I hate it. I hate it. But if it be say it talk come out of anger, we should always think for people. We should always think the things we say when we dey vex. We will not just speak offense because we not there for that position that particular time. Make we not make matters the worst. Make we abeg. Make we abeg. Make we abeg. Then I will use this opportunity say beg my beautiful lady, Mrs. Dion, please. And I use this opportunity to beg your parents, may they let her come back home, because he not get man where they want give her now. He still be wife. Now still wife that they call him. We just they make story the long. Now the woman will decide if she will come back or she not will come back. Make we public or supporters or we just the user the see. Make we remove our nose inside. Make we abeg. Make we beg the parents of the girl. Make we beg the girl too. Make we beg the homicide girl. Because at the end of the day, now something they call something. Domestic violence is not for anybody. Neither is whether not for woman or for man. It's not for anybody. Because as women they violent, now some men they violent. I beg. Make we not they use people personal problem till they judge them, till they crucify them. There's always good side in everybody. I hope I've been able to make my point that we should love ourselves, especially you come from Edo State. See, I beg you. Oh God, if to say I feel spring this love for this phone where you tell they look me, so I for spring and put. May this love just grow automatically. May we stop this jealousy. Make we stop this hate. Jealousy is the root of evil. Jealousy is the root of bad things. Some people don't know say na jealousy. Some people when they talk something, you go tell them say you are jealous. You go say no, you know they jealous. Really for your heart, you know they jealous. To him personally, you know they jealous because he don't know what to be jealousy. He don't know say in they jealous. But people will tell you, and you should understand and know that that is what people are saying from you. Make we stop on jealousy. They kill human race. Jealousy fit make you kill your own pikin. Jealousy fit make you kill. Make we stop jealousy. Make we abeg. Jealousy na evil spirits. All depends on the way you are using it. All depends on how the jealousy to come. I beg you, my Edo brothers and sisters. I beg you, my Ubini prince and princesses. Make we abeg. Make we help our great king, the great Oba Ewa II, Oba Atokpeye. More help him make Ubini a great land. More make our foremothers proud. More make our forefathers proud. Make we make ourselves proud so that we feel live the next generation in a safe hand. So that we fit tell our children wetin we use our time, our energy, our young age to do. So that our story will be sweet. Don't be how we take people down. Don't be if our grandchildren hear our stories, they will be ashamed to say we be their grandparents. Make we abeg. Let's show love to ourselves. More see a dope person. More celebrate ourselves as if so we do Christmas. Make we abeg. I hope I've been able to make my points. Please don't hate me. please don't be angry. Please let love reign. And please summon that beautiful side of yours to see from my own point of view. Till I come your way next time, please subscribe to watch more of my video. Follow me on my Facebook page, Sophie Universe. Throw me your questions. I've not been able to answer a lot of questions, but I did answer many people for inbox, for their inbox with the chat, but publicly I never just answer some way grants me the go ahead to talk about them. On a very good day, I'll talk about it. Continue patronizing me. Thank you. You see my bead, my car rings. I normally do them by myself. You already know. Please patronize me. Continue patronizing me. I may do this necklace by myself. If you need them, inbox me. Send me your address and I'll tell you how much it costs. And touch and small money. You know now we don't need to the form for ourselves. We know say we the manage until we get to Maka stage when I'm gonna put Sophie Maka. Love you all. I love you in the name of love. See I come your way next time. Thank you very much. Stay blessed and stay loved. I love love. I love you all in the name of love. Love you. Till I come your way next time.